In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion's table view effectively in just 5 minutes. Whether you're already familiar with Notion or completely new to it, this guide will help you seamlessly incorporate table views into your workflow. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the Notion website. Once you're there, you'll notice a Login button conveniently situated in the top right corner of the screen. Click on that to get started. If you already have an account, you'll want to click on Continue with Google. This option not only saves you time but also streamlines the process by allowing you to use an existing Google account. After clicking, simply choose the Google account you want to associate with Notion. Once logged in, navigate to the specific page within Notion that you plan to work on. This could be a project you're currently managing or any space where you want to incorporate table views. With your page open and ready, it's time to bring up the table options. Type in Table right there on your page. This quick command is one of Notion's nifty shortcuts that will bring up a menu for various table formats. Now, from the menu that appears, simply click on Table View. This selection will enable you to set up a clean, organized table interface that you can use as a database. Tables are an excellent tool for managing lists, keeping track of projects, or even cataloging your ideas. With the table view set, the next task is to link an existing database to your table. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to select the database you wish to work with. Linking a database will transform your Notion page, making it a dynamic, interactive table display. This setup is perfect for efficiently visualizing and manipulating your data. Now, here are a few tips to get you fully leveraging this feature. Customize your table by adding the columns that are most relevant to your needs. You can add properties for text, numbers, dates, and more to tailor it precisely to your workflow. Additionally, use filters and sort functionalities to organize your data in a manner that best suits your projects or tasks. And there you have it. You've seamlessly integrated a table view into your Notion page, making your work more organized and efficient. Whether you're tracking your tasks, managing detailed projects, or simply putting all your ideas in one place, Notion's table views are a powerful tool to have in your arsenal. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out or check out more of our guides. Thanks for joining me today, and happy organizing.